Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will make Christmas decoration wall hanging craft. For making this, the materials required are these. First, we will take two paper plates and cut it from the middle like this. Now I will paste both the plate cutouts together. Next, we will use punch machine to make punch pattern. Now the pattern is ready. Now we will use glitter glue to decorate it. Now to decorate this, I will use paper roses. For making paper roses, first we will use A4 sheet paper and we will cut it into circles. Now I will take the circle and cut it something like this. Now we will fold it as shown in the video. Paste it and the rose is ready. Now we will stick these roses on the paper plate. Now I will take the bow and place a red stone in the middle of it. For hanging it, we will take a string and fold it like this and stick it in the back of it. Christmas wall hanging is ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.